friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 14 of my November 2023 Tag a Day series. Let's see what I used today. I used the Pink and Main Merry and Bright paper. It is very colorful and just fun patterns. I can't wait to use that some more. I used some This Calls for Confetti Prism 4-point stars. They're so pretty. I used the Pink and Main Christmas squares. Lots of fun holiday images there. And then I used the Pink and Main shaker tag. This one was one that went together really easy. I didn't use these, but these you can cut out to make like the confetti or the mix that goes inside your shaker. And here is my cute shaker tag for day 14. Got that reindeer, that paper, made it a shaker. Those stars are just so pretty. I didn't want it to be like big shaker mix in there because I wanted the words to still be seen. So those stars were like perfect. And then the back is just cardstock as always. And my favorite Stampin' Up! Ribbon. I'll be sad when I use it all up. But anyways, there is my fun holiday tag for day 14. I hope you like what you see. All the products I can find will be linked in the description box below. And until tomorrow, go do something for yourself and go get crafty.